Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Glad to see you here. Today gonna talk about how to make money on stock market, how to invest in stocks, and of course, first of all, want to share with you the platform that I'm trading on, that I'm holding all of my portfolio. This is the IQ option platform. This is absolutely great and amazing platform because I've used them all almost. There's plenty of platforms that you can trade on, but this one is most suitable for my purposes, and I hope that it will be useful for you. So I left the link in the description of this video. You can find this link and you can get the bonus using my link. So be my guest, join to the family of investors, and I want to show you all the tools. When you'll get to the platform, you'll see that here's the list. You need to find stocks, and you see that 185 companies are on this platform and you can make money on them. How to do that? Let's choose some company, any of it. There's interesting tool right here in the left side of the screen, and this shows how all the traders who are on the platform right now making their actions. So 89% of people, if you don't know what to buy or to sell, look here, 89%, and I'm pretty using this tool because this is interesting. Let's buy some stocks. My amount right now is $1,000, so I have such money. If you don't, you can start investing with $10, and everybody has $10, and you do for sure. I know that you have $10 and you spend them for coffee or for bus ride a couple times a day. So the point is, when you're starting to make your own investment, you'll see that it's very interesting, because imagine that big company, well-known company. Let's see the list. Rolls-Royce, for example, Volkswagen, Bayer, Airbus, BMW. So a lot of companies that can give you a profit. Let's see to the red zone companies. What's happening right here? You see that this spot is pretty interesting. Let's scroll out a little bit to understand that the bottom is right here, and I don't care that the trend now is down going. I believe this company will grow, and I'll buy some stocks of this company. There's small fee, of course. Every platform taking a small fee for the actions, like with official actions with the companies, but it doesn't matter, because I'm gonna show you. For example, I bought stocks of this company, just let's say yet, and it's down a little bit, but we know that the company will grow, because 81% of people, 81% of traders thinking that company will grow. And let's see the trend. The trend is up going. The bottom was right here, and the trend is up going right now. And this is well-known company, and I'm gonna wait. So I don't want to close the position with a loss. I want to close the position with a profit. Let's see my portfolio. Visa, for example. This asset is unavailable. There's plenty companies that will open soon, but nevertheless, you can like buy or sell stocks anytime, almost anytime. So even if, let's go to the list, and I'm gonna show you how it's working. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down to the assets that are unavailable right now. For example, let's Microsoft. You see, I have stocks of Microsoft. I can't close this. This tool brought me almost 200% of profit, and I want to buy more because company's growing, and I know that here was the spot nice to buy, but in general you can see that the trend is upgoing. So you pressing the buy, and even that asset is closed right now. So you create independent position, you create in the order, and when asset will be open, when asset will be available, the system will buy the stocks immediately. So this is very great. And here on the stock list you have like plenty of companies that making just fantastic things. I bought some BMW. I own a BMW company that isn't that great. You should think about it like an ownership of the company. So you buying the small piece of this company, and all big companies working for you. So you investing money. You see, I bought like not long time ago. I made this action. I pressed the buy button, and the company will grow, the price will grow, and I will get my profit. So the main point that you can start literally with a $10, and when you start investing, your money is working for you. So you don't need to work for money, but your money working for you. What's happening right here? Well-known company. You all know this company. Let's buy some stocks. I want to show you my portfolio. Right now I have 172%. There's companies in red zone, but the most part of them are in the green zone. That means that this company is giving me profit. And there's a couple ways to make money on stock market. You can buy or sell stocks like daily, for example. So in the morning, you're waking up, you like watching to the market, you're pressing buy or sell, which way the price is going, you're pressing the button, and after in the evening, you coming home, you go into the platform, and you see that you have 17% or 20% of profit, and you can close the position or you can hold the stocks for a longer time. If you hold in the stocks for a year, or in different companies, there's different time periods when companies paying dividends. What does it mean? So you hold in the stocks, company getting its profit, and it's sharing its profit with all the stakeholders, and you are one of them. And this is very great. So think about investment in stock like buying a piece of a company, and this big company like Volkswagen, Rolls-Royce, BMW, Daimler, and so on and so on. These companies is working for you. They're getting their profits, and you getting your profit because you are the part of the company. The small one maybe, but daily, for example, daily you can make from $10 $20. If you will invest in the list of the companies, you will diversify your portfolio, and you'll have like companies from different industries. You can get your profit daily. But if you hold in the stocks for a longer time, you can get profit and dividends. And this is absolutely amazing and absolutely great. If you want to save money and make money, go to the platform, use my link in the description panel of this video, and become much more happier than you was. And this is gonna happen for sure. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Glad to see you here, and we'll be glad to see you the next time. Thanks and bye.